The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted in 1971 by Philip Zimbardo at Stanford University, examined the psychological effects of perceived power and powerlessness in a simulated prison environment. 24 male students were randomly assigned roles as guards or prisoners in a mock prison setup in the university's basement. The study, intended to last 2 weeks, was terminated after 6 days due to the extreme behaviors that emerged, revealing how situational roles can profoundly influence behavior. Participants, screened for psychological stability, quickly internalized their roles. Guards became authoritarian, enforcing strict control and subjecting prisoners to psychological abuse, such as humiliation and sleep deprivation. Prisoners, stripped of personal identity, became submissive or rebellious, with some experiencing emotional breakdowns. Zimbardo, acting as the prison superintendent, initially failed to intervene, demonstrating how situational dynamics can cloud ethical judgment. Even for researchers, the experiment highlighted the power of situational forces and social roles in shaping behavior, suggesting that environments can override individual morality. It drew parallels to real-world abuses, like those in prisons or military settings, showing how dehumanizing conditions can foster cruelty. The study also revealed the Lucifer effect, Zimbardo's term for how good people can commit evil acts under situational pressures ethically. The experiment was heavily criticized. Participants faced an anticipated psychological harm, and Zimbardo's dual role as researcher and superintendent compromised objectivity. The lack of informed consent and inadequate safeguards led to stricter ethical standards in psychological research. Critics also questioned the study's scientific rigor, citing its small sample and uncontrolled variables. Yet its findings remain influential. The Stanford Prison Experiment underscored how quickly individuals conform to assigned roles, especially in hierarchical settings. Its implications extend to understanding group dynamics in institutions like schools, workplaces, or correctional facilities. Despite its flaws, the study remains a cornerstone in social psychology, prompting ongoing discussions about human behavior, power, and the ethics of experimental research.